May I share with you the first of the three lessons? When my brother was in middle school and I was in elementary school, my brother came home one day and said that he had been taught that the square root of 2 and pi were the only irrational numbers. Our father then decided to give us this lesson. Because I was only in elementary school, he had to explain some things. 28 is 4 times 7, and that can be further broken down to 2 times 2 times 7, but you can't break it down any further than that. These are the prime factors. He also needed to explain that 1.7 is 17 divided by 10, and these are whole numbers. These are whole numbers with no common factors, because in a fraction, all common factors can be canceled. Any number that's like this is an irrational number. A rational number is the ratio of two whole numbers. And finally, he explained that any number that's not rational is an irrational number. With that done, he set out to teach us the following. The square root of all prime numbers are irrational. And he decided to prove this, a proof by contradiction. Contradiction. And we're going to assume there's a prime number p, whose square root is rational. M divided by n, whole numbers with no common factors. Squaring both sides, p is equal to m squared over n squared, or that can be written as n squared times p equals m squared. So we see p is a prime factor on the left side, and therefore, the only thing on the right side being m, p is a prime factor of m. M appears twice on the right side, therefore, p must appear twice on the right side because each m has p as a prime factor. There are two p's on the right side. There must be two p's on the left side. One of the p's comes from the p. The other must come from the n squared. N must have p as a prime factor. P is a prime factor of n. But we assumed that m and n had no common factors. That's a contradiction. Our assumption is false. There is no square root of a prime number which is rational. The square roots of all prime numbers are irrational. And so the message of the story to my brother and me was examine the false to discover the truth. Thank you.